This video is for those of you who have never played drums before and you don't even need a drum set to get started. There won't be any theory or sheet music, and I promise by the end of this video, you'll be playing the drums even along to your favorite songs. So the first thing we need to do is learn how to hold the drumsticks. And the most important thing here is to make sure we have a relaxed grip. We don't want to be making a fist with our hands and holding on really tightly. You want to make sure the stick can move a little bit in your hand. You can see there's a little bit of space between my thumb and my index finger, and that's just kind of a good sign to make sure you're not holding too tightly. The other thing to notice is where on the drumstick we're actually holding. So we don't want to be too far back where our fingers are hanging off. We also don't want to be too far up. We want to be somewhere on the bottom portion of the drumstick with that relaxed grip. You may find yours is a little bit further back or a little bit further up, but whatever's comfortable and lets you have that relaxed grip. So now let's talk a little bit about how to set up the drum kit. And the most important thing here is making sure that you can reach every single drum on the kit. You can reach your cymbals. We don't want to have our toms and stuff way out over here or our floor tom way out of reach. Everything is really comfortable and accessible, and that's going to make playing the drums that much easier. We want to make sure there's enough space between the hi-hats and the snare drum because we're going to learn to play like this, and we just want to make sure we're not clicking our sticks together. Now, for the pedals, you can see that my feet are pretty much at an even level. There's a slight angle down towards the pedals, which for me is really comfortable. I know a lot of other drummers like to do that as well. So we've been talking about how to set up an acoustic drum kit, but a lot of drummers now who are living in apartments or who have neighbors close by are using electronic drum kits. The principles that we talked about are all the same. The way our pedals are set up, the positioning of the toms and the cymbals, making sure everything is slightly angled. So those are just a few things to keep in mind when you're setting up your kit. And if you want to go deeper into how to actually build the different pieces on your kit, like the stands and the drums and the mounts and all that kind of stuff, we have a free series called Getting Started on the Drums that you can check out as well, and we go into more detail there. So now it's time to finally play our very first beat on the kit. And it's very simple. All you need to do is count to 4, and we're going to put an and in between each count. Now, what we're going to start with is the hi-hat. The first thing to do is make sure that your left foot, if you're a right-handed drummer, is pressed down on the pedal so those hi-hat cymbals are closed. And we're going to play one hit on the hi-hat along with every one of those counts. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Step 2 is to add the bass drum. So every time we get to count 1 and count 3, we're going to play the bass drum pedal, and that's going to give us some really nice low end to add to the beat. You may be wondering how to actually play the bass drum pedal. We're going to keep things very simple. You can play with your heel up like this, or some drummers like to play with their heel down at the base of the pedal like this. Both of those options work. It's totally up to you. And now let's put that along with the hi-hat part. Remember, beats 1 and 3 played on the kick drum. And the last step is to add in the snare drum. And we're going to be playing this drum on beats 2 and 4 in between when we're playing our bass drum. So we kind of are alternating between the bass drum and the snare drum. So we're going to put all this together: hi-hat, snare drum, and bass drum. So that's the full beat, all the separate parts put together, and you may need to spend some time on each individual step, but once you've got the hang of that, let's move on to your very first drum fill. So the drum fill we're going to be playing is called Around the World, and that's because we're going to be moving from the snare drum to our first tom, to our second tom, and to our floor tom. 2 notes on every single drum, and that's going to be counted the same way that we counted the beat that we just played. So the one tricky thing about doing this is when you get to the end of that drum fill over here on the floor tom, when you come back into the beat, it's going to take a little bit of practice to coordinate your limbs and get that all happening. So pay attention to that part, really practice it. So you've learned your first beat, you just learned how to play the Around the World fill. Now it's time to put all of this together. So the music's going to start right now, and we're going to practice this beat and the fill that we've been working on so far. So I'm going to count us in. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and Make sure your left foot is pressed nice and tight down on the hi-hat pedal. One, and two, and three, and four, and. Make sure that grip is relaxed. We're not holding the sticks too tight. One, and two, and three, and four, and. Remember, you can play this with your heel up on the bass drum, like this. Or you can play with your heel down. You're doing great. Soon we're going to add in the drum fill. All right, we're going to play the beat 3 times, and then the fill once. So here we go, first time. And 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. Nice job. We're gonna do the same thing again. Here's the drum fill. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. The drum fill's coming up. Here we go. 2, and 3, and 4, and. All right, the fill's coming up. Here it is. All right, let's play the groove for a while. Now you may find that it's more comfortable for you to actually play the groove like this, with your left hand on the hi-hat. This is another way you can play it. If you don't want to cross over the hands. All right, we're going to play the fill one more time. All right, here's the last bar of the beat. And here's the fill. Well, congratulations to all of you who made it through that 5-minute workout. Hopefully you enjoyed that format where you and I were playing along together. We actually have tons of other workout style videos like this inside the Drumeo platform that are going to be at your level. There's tons of beginner material there, and you can start learning some more beats, some more fills, and with the goal of being able to play lots of different songs and all that good stuff. So if you want to check it out, the link again is down in the description. You can try Drumeo free for 7 days, and I think you're really gonna love it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and letting me teach you your very first beat and fill, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Cheers.